Right, Makita angle drill, the DDA460, 136 volt. Note. The older version. Not showing anything. Nah, nothing. Nothing. Not doing squat. Get on there and see what the crack is here. Just a bit of extra persuading. She needed. Quite a bit of a controller in this thing. Obviously, she's seen work. That's okay. Right, does this work? It's not giving me anything anyway. Right, might be the switch. One new switch, or micro switch. Long time, and I mean a long time, waiting for that to come on. Ordered it several months ago, nothing happened. Also had to order it again because the order was lost. That was 2 months ago, over 2 months ago. Only just and now today. That is too long waiting for spare parts, especially on a machine that's expensive. I mean, honestly, how can you work or be a trade, have to wait 2 or 3 months to get a spare part for a machine? At least it's not a difficult repair. You could easily do this at home if you're having the same issue. And it's not an expensive part either. Hi, does she work? Looking good. You have a light. Look at that. sweet. One Makita cordless angle drill DDA460 up and running again. One new switch button, or actually one new power button. Micro switch failed, wouldn't switch on. One new button, she loves the game. Nice machine it is. It's a big heavy machine. I do actually like the Makita 36 volt range with the two 18 volt batteries. Much more practical for anybody that has 18 volt batteries already. Nice machine to have and use. Always like the Makita right angle drills. They always done the best ones. 2-speed angle drill, up and running.